Missing fence caps causing water damage to posts is a sneaky problem that can totally wreck your fence if you don't catch it fast. So, first off, fence post caps are way more important than most people think because they stop water from soaking into the wood and making it rot. If you notice any missing caps, grab some replacements as soon as possible. These usually just pop on top and are super easy to install with a bit of glue or small nails. Make sure the caps fit snugly and cover the entire post end to keep moisture out. When you're picking caps, go for materials like metal or plastic, since they handle rain and sun better than wood. Also, check your fence after heavy rain or storms to spot any lost caps before they cause damage. If your posts are already showing signs of rot, sanding off the bad spots and applying a wood preservative can help slow it down. And don't forget to seal the entire fence every year with a water-resistant finish to keep everything in good shape. Keeping your fence dry is key to making it last without spending tons on repairs. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fence maintenance is ignoring missing post caps, which leads to water damage and wood rot that weakens the structure. To fix this, always replace any missing caps right away and inspect your fence regularly. Another common issue is using wood caps that don't hold up well against weather, so switching to metal or plastic caps can save you from constant replacements. Lastly, not sealing your fence annually leaves the wood vulnerable, so applying a good sealant helps keep moisture out and extends your fence's life. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect for homeowners who want to find trustworthy local contractors to fix or replace their fences without the stress. It also helps contractors connect with people needing their skills, making it easier for everyone to get quality work done hassle-free.